In this video, I'm going to show you how to add link to text element on Hostinger website builder. So what you're going to have to do here is first let's add a text element. So I'm going to add from here. You can also just edit this one here, or link this text to wherever you want. Website, a page, a section, a file. So what we're going to need to do is just to click on here, edit text. And from here, let's say I'll highlight only made, and then I'll click on this link. And then here I can link to a page, to a web address, to a file download. So you can select a file or a web address, and this is great. Now in this sample website, that is about tutorials in this example, I can use this the link to add a page that links to a file in this scenario where you can provide a downloadable resource. Let's say my example tutorials, I can include some complex software steps that might require to or you can create a page where users can click on a link to download the PDF version, for a guide that is about tutorials. So it's really, there's a lot of opportunities, options, depends on your scenario, where you can use phone number, file, section. So yeah, I hope you found this helpful. Just don't forget, when you paste, let's say, a link to a page, you can enable this to open in a new tab. So yeah, I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching and take care.